Hey there! Today we're making the All That Sewing triangle zipper pouch. This pouch comes in 3 sizes, and I've already made 2 of the sizes. This is the large size and this is the medium size, but I'm giving it a little twist because I am making it out of this jelly vinyl, so it won't have a lining. It's kind of like what I did with these. So you'll be able to see the seam inside, but it also makes it a quicker project to make. This is the one I made out of clear vinyl. I'll be making the small size out of this vinyl. This will be the zipper tab, and this will be our zipper with our fun zipper pull. Let's get started. All the measurements for this are in the pattern. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start with the zipper and the zipper tabs. So I'm going to put this to the side. She has a different way of doing the zipper tabs, but this is the way that I always do zipper tabs. I cut it to 2 by 2 little squares, and then I fold in the middle, then bring the edges to that middle as best as I can. So I create like a little sandwich for the zipper to go into, and then I clip it on these edges. I'll do the same thing for the other side. I'm going to sew across the zipper tab at 1/8 of an inch from this edge so I can secure the tab onto the zipper. Now that my zipper is ready, I'm going to trim down the excess of this zipper tab, and I'm just going to match it up with the zipper. Alright, now grab one of your sides, and like I said, I'm doing this out of this jelly vinyl, so I don't need a lining. You can add one if you want to. The pattern has the instructions on how to do it the traditional way, but I just decided to do it this way. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to center my zipper along with this piece. I will look for the center. I'm going to cut my little center marking on my piece. I'll do the same thing for the other piece. For the zipper, I'm going to use an air erasing marker to mark those midpoints. So I'm going to put it together. And do the marking on the wrong side of the zipper. On both sides, just so it's ready for the other panel. Now that we have it marked, you can see it right there, we're going to align it with that center mark that we have on this panel. And we're going to clip it together. So we're going to sew on this edge, but we're only going to sew where the zipper is at. We're not going to go past our zipper. So we're only going to sew right here. Now that it's sewn together, we are going to flip it, and we are going to push the seams down as best as we can, because now we are going to top stitch on this edge. Again, only on the side where the zipper is at. We're not going to go past that. Now that this has been top stitched, we're going to grab our other panel, and we are going to put it right side together with right side, so this way. The best thing to do is flip it. Remember those markings? We're going to match them up and pin in place. we're going to repeat the same process that we did on the other side. Make sure you move your zipper out of the way. Same thing as before. We're going to open it up, and now we're going to top stitch on this side that we just sewed. All right, we've done the process on both sides, and now it is time to put it all together. We are going to open up the zipper halfway, just so it's not in the way of either edge. And we're going to put them right sides together, matching up all these corners and edges, clip it together. Because this is jelly vinyl, I don't have to leave an opening in the bottom because I'll just flip it from the zipper side. If you were doing it the normal way, which it would have a lining and exterior fabric and such, you would have to leave a little opening on the lining. Now we're going to sew the side edges and the bottom edge with the seam allowance that's mentioned in the pattern. And then after that's done, we're going to box the corners, but let's sew the edges first. One thing to note, make sure that your zipper is pushing out and not going into the exterior fabric. Our edges have been sewn. Now it is time to box these corners. I like to open up the zipper all the way. And then I use my fingers to kind of help me out here. And we're just going to put it together. And I like to nest my seams. I just clip it. The important thing is to match the seams as best as you can. Again, I put my hand in here and try to open it up. And now the seams have been matched. Now it's time to sew over these seams. It has been sewn, and now I'm going to cut this just to make it a little bit more even. Okay, now it's time to flip it the right side out. And here you have it. My material got a little feisty with me, but I made it work. So here is the small size. This is the medium. And then here is the large. I hope you enjoyed this quick little make. Let me know if you have any question in the comments, and I will try to help you as best as I can. See you in the next one.